Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in to this week's Market Outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader at Exness, and in this video I'm going to be giving a possible idea for trading the US dollar against Japanese yen this week. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week the idea was a possible sell for gold against the US dollar from around $2,305 with a possible target around $2,260. So far that idea has been unsuccessful, but it's possible that it might be triggered again in the future, so we'll keep monitoring that throughout the week. And for this week, the idea is a potential buy for dollar yen. We can see that dollar yen has been in a very strong and ongoing uptrend for a number of months, and in fact several years, and currently the price is moving around 158, and it'd be possible to see it increase to 159 as initial target. Well, after that, it might even be possible to see 160 or even higher than that. The main issue with this is that the price is currently overbought, so it might not be an immediate continuation upward, and it also depends somewhat on data. The primary narratives that are driving the possible move upward by dollar yen are economic conditions and divergence in monetary policy. For monetary policy, the Bank of Japan's rate is significantly lower than that of the Fed, and likely to remain that way for at least several months and probably years, even if there is a hike by the BOJ in July. Meanwhile, growth in the USA, although it's slowed down, remains relatively strong considering expectations at the start of the year, although Japan currently has showed a decline in GDP for the previous quarter. Critical factors to be watched this week if traders were to take the position are Japanese balance of trade, and on Thursday evening GMT, Japanese inflation is the key release. In summary, the idea for this week is potential buy for dollar yen with a possible target around 159. Main narratives driving the possible movement upward by dollar yen are divergence in monetary policy and economic conditions in the two countries, and the critical factor to be watched this week is Japanese inflation. Please remember that this is just an idea for trade. It's not a guarantee of success, it's not a signal. You always need to manage risk and do your own research.